Everybody say 5. 5 new countries this 2025. 5 new countries this 2025, namely Senegal, Burundi, may nakakalimutan ako. Senegal, Burundi, ano ba isang African? Botswana. Botswana, katabi siya ng South Africa. Senegal, Burundi, Botswana, then banda rito sa Asia, Asia Pacific, New Zealand. Pero dito sa huli ako pinaka-excited. Indonesia. For your information guys, Indonesia has 260 million population. Pwede natin siya i-consider na the Nigeria in Asia. Kasi ang Nigeria, 200 million. Ito, 260 million ang population niya. More than double our population. So, can you imagine we'll be launching there with our flagship product, Nature's Way. So, ang dami natin makikreate. At magsisimula tayo doon with something new, something with a twist that you will discover by 2025. So, excited na excited tayo sa 2025. So, let's begin. Are you excited? Yeah! Tama ba itong first page? Tama? Tama. E-Crowd Commerce or ECC. Everybody say ECC! Sabi ng iba, Doc, may EC, Empowered Consumerism. And then may ECC, E-Crowd Commerce. What's E-Crowd Commerce? E-crowd commerce is a combination of two terminologies, e-commerce and crowdfunding. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is the sales or purchases and delivery and marketing of goods online. Now let's be specific. Here in the Philippines, last 2021, the market sales reached $17 billion. Ganyang kalaki ang benta ng e-commerce here in the Philippines 2021 pa lang. Now, because of 73 million online active users, ganyang kalaki yung inabot na sales here in the Philippines. And who would ever thought Filipinos, ordinaryong masang Pilipino, bibili online? Ang daming strategy to sell online. Some are doing content creation, some are doing endorsement, some are doing high-profile endorsements, high-ticket item endorsements. Now, the goal is, by 2025, according to market research, it will increase and reach $24 billion. In short, palaki ang nabebenta online. And I'm sure most of you have experienced buying stuff, buying things online. Tama po ba? So how can we participate on this? Ayan na, how do we participate? We have a flagship product. Now, as you have heard, as you have seen in our social media platforms, sa Facebook, may bago tayong product. Now, with this product, it is available only in Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. For the past few days, available siya sa Shopee. I think yesterday, available siya sa Lazada. Hopefully, before the weekends or by next week, available na siya sa TikTok naman. So, lahat tayo dun bibili. Now, this is our flagship product, Barley Glow. Everybody say Barley Glow. Barley Glow. It is a unique combination of a healthy component, okay, rich in antioxidants rather, to make your body healthy, increase its immune system, plus a component na pamilyar na tayo, which is eye glow. Instead of 6,000 milligrams, meron siyang kalahati, 3,000 milligrams. So the barley is sourced from Australia. This is Korean formulated, tested in Korea. So nakakatuwa, you can enjoy it hot or cold with honey lemon flavor. Okay? So what are the health benefits of barley? Now, we're not the first player or first company that offers barley. Matagal lang may barley, pamilya na tayo dito. But to recap, and to educate each and every one of you, ano ba ang health benefits ng barley? It lowers cholesterol, it lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, it reduces hunger, so it will help in the weight management. Okay, what else? It helps improve digestion, reduces stress, reduces heart disease risk, helps prevent different types of cancer, it increases metabolism. Okay, what else? It normalizes hormonal imbalance. So yun yung mga because, ang dami nako-correct because of barley. Yung mga hindi normal yung bowel movement, nano-normalize because of barley. That's the barley component of our barley glow. Now, the collagen part, we are all familiar with, is iGlow 24/7. Clinically tested. May clinical studies. Yung molecular weight niya, pinaliit. That's why it's more effective than the usual collagen. It's actually 7 times more efficient and 7 times na mas na-absorb ng ordinary collagen brand sa market. It reduces dark circles under the eye bags. It reduces the wrinkles. What else? Reduces the appearance of visible pores. It hydrates the skin. It manages fine lines. Okay? It reduces spots and relieves you from your dry skin syndrome. It slows down the aging process, the sagging of the skin. It helps in skin whitening. It strengthens the hair and nails. So pinagsama yung healthy component plus the beautification component of this barley glow. This is a dynamic duo that provides essential nutrients full of antioxidants plus supporting radiant skin, joint comfort, strong immune system, energy booster with antioxidant shield power. So nakakatuwa, healthy ka na, glowing ka pa. So ready ka na ba mag-barley glow? Some of you have bought their PMAs already, na-deliver na. We highly suggest you go back to your Shopee account, click mo yung order receipt, click mo yung 5 stars, click mo yung review. Grabe, ang bilis ng delivery. Sabay mag-selfie ka, na-receive ko na, pakita mo. O kaya magtimpla ka, hot or cold, i-post mo din. And whenever you do postings on FB, on Instagram, or on your TikTok, hashtag BarleyGlow, hashtag #ProudCommerce without the dash. So one word lang siya. Ayan na. So it has 3,000 milligrams of barley. Yung mga barley na nasa labas ngayon, lagi silang may 3,000 milligrams na barley. Now the good news is that yung barley natin, hindi lang plain barley. May 3,000 milligrams din siya ng iGlow o ng collagen natin na bio-fermented hydrolyzed collagen peptide. Now the suggested retail price is 750 pesos. Everybody say good news. Good news, free shipping na yan anywhere in the Philippines. Maganda po ba yan? Everybody say good news. Pag member ka ng AIM Global Group of Companies, may isosoli pang 200 pesos sa'yo. Panalo, panalo, panalo. Okay, now we have on the e-commerce side what we call ECC or Crowd Commerce Affiliate Program. Now the affiliate program has been increasing, the industry has been increasing every week, every month, every year. Ang daming gustong mag-affiliate. Kasi gagawa ka lang ng simple content o mag-grab ka lang ng content, ipopost mo lang. Pag may bumili, i-deliver, kikita ka na. So that's what you will do. Enroll. We have an educational course for this. 1,000 pesos lang. May magtuturo kung paano ka magiging affiliate ng Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Gagawa ka ng shop. Okay po ba yun? Ituturo yung do's and don'ts. Ano ba yung mga dapat at hindi ko dapat gawin when I'm doing affiliate program or selling a product under these social media platforms. May certification din to. And then pag nag-post ka na, pag may bumili, we will fulfill. Kami yung magpa-process ng benta, kami yung magdi-deliver, and then ikaw, kikita ka na lang. In short, wala kang puhunan. Nag-video ka lang o nag-grab ka lang ng video, pinost mo, pag may bumili, kami na magdi-deliver, kami magpa-process ng benta, kami tatanggap ng benta, yung commission mo, ipapadala na lang sa'yo. Maganda o napakaganda? So that's what we call ECC affiliate programs. Okay? Now, the crowdfunding part, Doc, naintindihan ko na yung e-commerce. Ano naman yung crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is funding a project or small venture to raise money from a large number of people. For so many years, we want to teach you how to invest properly. Recently, may isang company nag-viral, pinasara ng SEC, ang pangalan, Sitaw. Yung Sitaw na ina-adobo lang natin, naging company pala. Ang daming na-scam. So with our company, it's crowdfunding, we will teach you how to invest properly. Kanino ba maganda mag-invest? Of course, to people with track record. Everybody say track record. Mahirap yung mag-invest ka. Sinong company ba yan? Wala eh. Website lang eh. Pag nawala yung website, talo ka na. Tama o tama? Sino hahabulin mo? Yung friend mo na nag-invite sa'yo para mag-invest doon. Eh, paano ko yung friend mo nagtago na? Wala na. Paano ko yung friend mo wala ring pera? Wala na. So wala ka nang habulan kung website lang. Tama o tama? So with this, you will see later who are the people and companies backing this up, the campaign we call eCrowd Commerce. Ayan, at eCrowd Commerce, you don't just earn money. We will help you manage your income. We will promote an educational platform of financial literacy program. May bayad ng konti, 1,000 pesos, may certification. Guys, yung magsucertify nito, mga financial institutions. So you can now call yourself investors. So dati-dati pag tinanong ka, ay online ako, onliner ako. Ano ka, hubber ako. Ano ka, marketer ako. Ano ka, entrepreneur. Ngayon may idadagdag ka, /investor. Maganda o napakaganda? As I mentioned, may certification to. So yung magbibigay ng workshop dito, mga financial institutions, certified by SEC mismo. So maganda po ba yun? So abangan niyo yan, malapit na. We will make it available online para anywhere in the world, lahat ng grupo nyo and prospects can attend this and they can be certified as investors. Eto na. I'm proud and I'm excited and I'm happy to announce we are launching our own legitimate investment program. We're calling it at eCrowd Commerce the 8-month investment programs. 8 buwan lang po. So yung pera mo kikita ng 8 months. Hindi 1 year, hindi 6 months, 8 months. Ilang months mo? 8 months. Pero watch out kasi may perks kapag mas malaki pa yung i-invest or may additional benefit. And we have 3 packages. We call it the silver package, the gold package, and the platinum package. Sa silver package, may A, 30,000. Can you imagine for as low as 30,000, pwede kumita ng malaki yung pera mo in 8 months. We call it investors inclusivity. Before kasi pag sinabing investors, ay para lang sa mayayaman yan. Para lang sa may 1 million, 10 million, 50